Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you how to write a cookbook from scratch with free version of ChatGPT. This is the free version, it's not the pro, it's a free version as you can see. So I already have the title that I want to work on. You should already have your title before starting to write. So first of all, we are going to say hello. You can't just directly say you should start giving us our book contents. Start with some things. I need your help. On my next book that I want us to work on. Here's my books. Title. You paste the title. Please, can you act as a professional? Let's say professional human assistant that is very good in writing, researching, and providing accurate and authentic content that is very professional. It's like absolutely you can take on this role of professional assistant and help you craft your gastroparesis cookbook with accurate, well-researched and polished content that is professional, authentic and approachable. Structure of content. A well-structured cookbook makes it easier for readers to follow. Here is a suggestion. Journal outline. Okay. Please, before we start, can you create us the best human like and very professional subtitle for our book that will sell itself. Let's wait absolutely book. The first suggestion: delicious, gentle recipe and practical meal plan for a healthier, happier, digestive life. Easy to digest meal and smart nutrition tips. Let's include 20 recipes in the subtitle. plenty, easy to digest, delicious recipe, and expert tips to suit your stomach and improve your digestive health. Gentle dressing, okay, gentle salt, flavorful. Okay. Let's use this first one. We are going to see, please, can you create a very professional table of content and for our title. So paste the title, and then we come here under on subtitle. Title. Please make it very professional. Well research. It's everything that a book recipe should include in it. And also make sure the recipes in our cookbook is tried and tested, and also verified. Okay, chapter 1, kitchen basics for chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. So this is our table of contents. So you can just start the book just directly now by copying and pasting of each section. So we are starting with then we paste the table of contents. Please make it a story telling of me, the author. Let's see. My name is Victoria WhatsApp. Victoria Smith. Okay, here's the introduction. Hello and welcome. I am Victoria Smith and I am trying to share this cookbook with you. If you are reading this chance, you or someone you actually care about navigating the challenges of gastroparesis, I understand how frustrating it can be when something as simple as enjoying a meal feels little or even painful. Over the years, I have learned that right diets can be a powerful ally in managing this condition, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. Understanding. This is very good. It's very good and okay. So this is our introduction. You can just say continue with chapter 1 or copy chapter 1 and paste. Just like this. Copy it from the beginning to the ending. To the ending of chapter 1. Copy and paste. Just paste without saying anything. You don't have to say anything to generate for you. So this is our chapter 1. So this is our chapter 1. For chapter 2 it's the same thing. You are doing the same thing. Just come to here. Copy. And you paste. It's as easy as ABC. And just wait for it to do the work for you. And sometimes if the content you are not satisfied, maybe it's small for you, you can just say it should continue the chapter from the please can you let's try it. Please can you continue this chapter from the last word you stop, and also avoid any repetition. Of anything that has been generated. Do you see it? This is a continuation. This is a continuation. It's not the next chapter. It's chapter 1. Absolutely, let's continue chapter 1. You can see it, right? So if this one is not okay for you, you can also tell it to continue till you are satisfied. So here comes the ending of this video. Please, if you did enjoy the video, kindly like the video, comment your thoughts, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.